We got something for you.
Uh-oh.
Is it a toy?
Got a Nerf toy.
Is it a toy?
It's the squeaker from Nerf.
You got a squeaky toy?
Well, I will give it to you after what we are gonna do.
Next, that's not the only thing we got you, buddy. The real exciting one
It's very compact
is
size.
a nail grinder.
Bourbon doesn't like the clippers now. I don't know why she doesn't like it anymore.
Bourbon's not a fan of getting her nails clipped, and sometimes she moves at the last second. We cut them a little wrong, so now we have a nail grinder, which I'm sure is hopefully just as effective, less painful,
It's already charged.
and
whoa! Did
more
you see
comfortable for her.
that? On.
Oh, all
Why
right.
can't control the speed too? See?
Perfect.
Oh, it's working.
We are officially done with the nails here. Let's check them out. Let's get this back right one here. Yeah, look at that. Nice and rounded, not sharp. Doesn't hurt the dog at all. Nothing's bleeding. Nice a little, what is that, a manicure or pedicure? Pedicure?
Pedicure for pots.
Little puppy pedicure. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice nails, chubby girl. Yeah.
Okay.
That's gotta feel better.
Yeah.
Here's your reward.
It's total ones.
Turtle squeaky.
Yep. I don't know. They squeak. Oh.
There you go.
Ready? Go. Alrighty.
See you next time. That's too heavy, buddy.
Come here.
Can I pet you? Or are you busy playing?
Butter. There you go.
Come on, buddy.
Bourbon, this way, come.
Buddy, come on.
Sorry.
No, that's fine.
Come here. No, it's mine too. Butter, you can lay down here. No? What are they, Bourbon? Oh, one flew away. Whoop! Saw the bird today. Bourbon, come here. Ooh. Where's Violet? Violet!
You liking your teeth brushed?
Yes, Mommy. Yes, Daddy. And then here's the toothpaste. This is my trick.
Ah, nice.
So I don't have to open the bottle every time I do.
Little apple cider vinegar bath. Clean teeth.
Cleaning ears, cleaning nose.
The thing just disappears.